This vehicle represents Brabus's audacious leap into the ultra-luxury recreational vehicle world, combining the brand's legendary performance tuning with uncompromising opulence. Over the next hour, we're going to break down every aspect of this exceptional motorhome, from its breathtaking exterior design and palatial interior to its mind-blowing performance, cutting-edge technology, fortress-level safety, pricing, and investment considerations. So whether you're a luxury enthusiast, an ultra-high net worth traveler, or someone fascinated by automotive excellence, stay tuned, because this review is going to cover it all in detail. The first thing that strikes you about the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is its commanding design. Brabus has taken an uncompromising approach, blending aerodynamic sophistication with intimidating presence. Unlike traditional luxury motorhomes that prioritize comfort over aesthetics, this masterpiece features aggressive carbon fiber body panels, signature Brabus aerodynamic elements, and a menacing black fascia that screams performance luxury. Forged carbon fiber accents and hand-polished chrome details create visual drama, while bespoke paint finishes allow owners to create truly one-of-a-kind expressions. The vehicle rides on massive 24-inch forged Brabus wheels, wrapped in custom Michelin performance tires, providing confidence whether cruising autobahns, exclusive resorts, or private estates. It's not just a vehicle, it's a rolling statement of absolute luxury and engineering prowess that reflects Brabus's uncompromising pursuit of automotive perfection. Moving inside, the interior of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is nothing short of palatial. Step through the electrically operated coach doors and you're transported into a world of unparalleled luxury designed to exceed five-star hotel standards. Exquisite materials such as hand-stitched Napa leather, exotic wood veneers, and crystal ambient lighting create an atmosphere of pure sophistication. The motorhome accommodates 4 passengers in aircraft-style luxury, but once stationary, transforms into an opulent living suite, complete with marble dining surface, massage recliners, and a professional-grade galley. The sleeping quarters feature a master bedroom with California king bed, Italian marble ensuite bathroom, and guest accommodations with individual climate zones. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer panoramic views, while advanced sound dampening ensures library-quiet serenity, whether positioned beside alpine lakes or Mediterranean coastlines. Under the hood, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome delivers earth-shattering performance. Brabus has installed their legendary twin-turbocharged V12 engine with hybrid boost, delivering an astronomical 850 horsepower and mind-bending torque figures. This means effortless acceleration despite the vehicle's substantial mass, conquering mountain passes and highway stretches with supercar-like authority while maintaining whisper-quiet refinement. The advanced all-wheel drive system features adaptive torque distribution and multiple terrain programs for any destination. Brabus engineers have developed a sophisticated air suspension system, providing limousine-smooth comfort on highways and impressive capability on exclusive off-road locations. With regenerative energy recovery and luxury eco modes, this motorhome proves that ultimate performance and environmental consciousness can coexist harmoniously. When it comes to technology, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome represents the absolute pinnacle of innovation. The command center features dual 32-inch 8K displays integrated with Brabus's exclusive infotainment architecture, supporting unlimited connectivity options. Advanced satellite communications, private network access, and Brabus's proprietary smart home ecosystem ensures seamless digital integration anywhere on Earth. For distinguished passengers conducting international business, Brabus has created a mobile executive office featuring conference facilities, encrypted communications, and dedicated workspace infrastructure. The intelligent luxury management system controls every aspect, from lighting choreography and climate perfection to entertainment systems and security protocols through voice recognition or dedicated applications. Security and safety reach unprecedented levels in the Brabus Motorhome. Beyond standard luxury vehicle protection, it incorporates Brabus Guardian systems, including ballistic protection options, advanced threat detection, emergency communication protocols, and discrete security monitoring capabilities. The comprehensive safety suite features predictive collision avoidance, 360-degree surveillance systems with night vision, and automated parking assistance for challenging luxury destinations. Military-grade construction, reinforced passenger compartments, and emergency life support systems provide ultimate protection during any scenario. For adventures in exclusive locations, specialized systems include terrain monitoring, weather prediction, and emergency extraction coordination, ensuring absolute safety whether exploring private islands or remote luxury destinations worldwide. Of course, the pricing reflects this unprecedented luxury, and the 2026 Brabus Motorhome commands a base investment of approximately $950,000. This positions it among the world's most exclusive recreational vehicles, offering supercar-level performance in motorhome form. For ultra-high net worth clients seeking maximum exclusivity, the Brabus Black Edition reaches $1,350,000 and includes bespoke interior design, performance upgrades, advanced technology packages, and exclusive styling elements. Compared to traditional luxury accommodations requiring constant bookings and limited privacy, Brabus delivers ultimate freedom, making this motorhome an attractive proposition for the global elite seeking uncompromising luxury mobility. Investment considerations for such an extraordinary vehicle extend beyond typical ownership models, and Brabus has developed exclusive programs including fractional ownership, luxury leasing arrangements, and comprehensive management services. Long-term value retention benefits from Brabus's legendary craftsmanship, limited production numbers, and growing collector interest in ultra-luxury recreational vehicles. Qualified buyers can access specialized financing through private banking relationships and luxury asset management companies. Insurance through specialized carriers familiar with high-value recreational assets ensures appropriate coverage. For families maintaining multiple luxury residences worldwide, this investment represents ultimate convenience and privacy compared to commercial luxury travel alternatives. Now, let's discuss the extraordinary advantages of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome. Its greatest strength lies in Brabus's unmatched reputation for engineering excellence, providing owners with confidence in the most demanding luxury travel scenarios without compromising performance or reliability. Its interior appointments rival the world's finest luxury accommodations, offering unparalleled comfort for both intimate getaways and extended international journeys. The fusion of revolutionary technology, absolute security, and Brabus's signature perfectionism creates an unmatched proposition in the ultra-luxury recreational vehicle segment. So what's the verdict? The 2026 Brabus Motorhome transcends traditional vehicle categories entirely. It represents ultimate freedom, uncompromising luxury, and technological supremacy in one extraordinary package. Whether you're an international business leader requiring mobile luxury, a collector seeking automotive artistry, or someone who demands the absolute finest in recreational travel, this motorhome delivers beyond every expectation. Here at Car Magica, we believe this Brabus represents the pinnacle of luxury motorhome engineering for those who accept no compromises. If you've enjoyed this exclusive review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming reviews of the latest supercars, luxury vehicles, and exclusive motorhomes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.